Hey, Paul Peck here. I'm on a ceiling project. Wanted to catch you up on this. I've been posting updates on my shorts videos. Let me know in the comments if you're seeing my shorts or if you're just watching the longer content, but I'm going to catch you up. So this ceiling's pretty crazy. The tape joints are coming down, and also there's bubbles and blisters wherever the tape joints are. So the first thing I'm going to do is remove all the tape joints. Basically, you want to do that because down the road you don't want the tape joints to start to come down. This is a back patio, but it's covered well. There's a pool outside of that, so there is some humidity and moisture. We're here in Florida. I know a lot of people give me crap about, oh, you should never have drywall outside. Well, there's probably 20 million homes in Florida that have drywall on their patios, so it's doable. They even make exterior soffit drywall board, so it's not really a big deal here. What we got going right now is a big deal, but we're going to take care of it. And once I get all this torn down, I'm going to show you how to make this ceiling a perfect repair. So it's the butt joints. Luckily they use 12-foot sheets of drywall, so there's only about 4 or 5 butt joints on this ceiling. It's a pretty long ceiling, and it's only about 8 feet wide.
Be sure to hit that subscribe button if you'd like to see more of these type of videos.
Definitely pretty wild how all the joint compound comes right off with the tape paint and texture. I've never seen that before. So I'm going to cut out this tape joint and just peel it back. You want to go ahead and cut the end of the tape joint so it doesn't peel down on the wall. It probably wouldn't do that on this stucco that's down below the ceiling, but I don't want to take any chances. So I'm just going to continue to pull this stuff down. They use nails to hang it. This ceiling's probably only about 8 years old, but the nails are made from a shiny metal, so there is some surfaced rust on those. So I'll take care of that coming up, and I'll show you how I do that. I just got to concentrate on getting all these tape joints down. As you can see, the rest of the ceiling's in good shape. It's just, for whatever reason, the tape joints are bubbling, and when you pull off the tape, there's not a lot of joint compound. But leave me a comment if you think you might know what's going on. I have got some pretty good comments in the shorts, and I want to see what you think about this because it's kind of crazy. And keep watching because I'm going to show you how I tape this with some fiberfused drywall tape, which is a lot more exterior friendly than this paper tape, and also lays super flat, so it's perfect for repairs. I'm going to run the fiberfuse through my drywall tape applicator called a banjo, so you definitely want to check that out. This is the last piece of tape that I'm pulling down, and then it's time to start scraping any of the blistered areas that were left over so we have a nice tight surface to go to. I'm not going to show you the whole scraping process, just wanted to give you a little clip of it. Basically, I'm just taking all the little pieces down and anything that's hanging. Let me get that wire back up in there. Had to take down the ceiling fan. There was 2 of them on this porch. Next, I used some Kills stain blocking primer out of a can to spot prime all the nail heads that had rust on them. All right, now it's time to mix up some of the all-purpose joint compound to apply the fiberfuse with the banjo. You want to get it kind of soupy, about a thick yogurt-like consistency. All right, that's mixed up. That's what you want it to look like as far as the consistency for the banjo. All right, so going to be using the fiberfuse, perfect for this patio ceiling. Going to run it through the banjo. All right, got the banjo loaded up. Now you just want to point the tape right at the center of that joint and pull it out. And then you're going to come back and just hit it with your knife and smooth it all out. I'll show you on a butt joint. Want to get it up there and pull it out, and then you just want to take your knife and kind of just follow along with the banjo. Squeeze out most of the excess joint compound underneath and then tear it right with your knife. Pretty simple, goes pretty quick. Go over it a couple times just to get it nice and tight and remove any extra joint compound. And if you've never used a drywall banjo, it's a great upgrade to speed up your drywall finishing projects. All right, I just got back from lunch. I was hoping it was completely dry, but it's not. But I'm still going to skim coat this entire ceiling, but not over the tape joints. So stay tuned for the next video, and I'll show you how I skim coat this entire ceiling.
And if you want to catch the next video or any of my upcoming videos, be sure to hit that subscribe button now in the center of the screen to keep up with all my videos. Follow me on Facebook, Instagram, Twitter, and TikTok. I'll leave some of my most popular video links down below in the description. Thanks so much for watching.